guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at 2FA right here for your account. So first of all, what we have to go is into epicgames.com. So do that from your tablet or phone. From there you're going to see on the top right hand corner sign in. So that's why we have to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it's going to take you to this page. So some of you may not have an Epic account yet that you created, but you may have signed in using your Xbox or PlayStation or Nintendo Switch. There's other options down here below as well. But if you guys already have an Epic Games account, just log into there. From here, it's just going to ask us our email address and password. And once you click on login, you should see this. It should just take you back to the official page. And from there, again, we have to click on the top right hand side of your screen. Just go right into account. So this would be account. And then from here, you will see your fifth option down here below. It's going to say password and security. So that's on your left hand side of your screen. From there, just scroll down and keep scrolling down. And you will come up to this, two-factor. That's 2FA. So there's a few ways that we can activate this. We can use an app, for example. We can use our phone. So if you guys have a phone number, we could use that. Get a text message, and that's your two-factor. Or an email. So in order for two-factor to work, you could get an email. The fastest one would actually be if you guys have a phone number, because you get that code right away. The app would be the second fastest, and the slowest would be email. However, I know most of you may not have a phone number just yet, and the app might not be the best choice, depending. So we're going to do the email. So we are just going to go ahead and do the email part, but it would be the exact same thing if you guys want to turn on any one of these. Whichever one of these you guys turn on, it's two-factor. So we're going to go ahead and turn this one on. So we're just going to click here on the left hand side. You will see this. Click on it, and then we're going to get this message. From this message, what we need to do is put in a security code. That security code will be in your email. So right now, maybe that code went to your spam folder, so make sure to check that spam folder. If it didn't work for any reason, just try the app or try the text message type of way. So there are a few ways to go around this. So at this point, for example, my email is a Gmail. So I just went into my email, I looked through, and here's Epic Games. So Epic Games sent me this code. So this is how the code looks like when you're activating two-factor. And this is what makes your account more secure. So we're going to go ahead and copy this code over. So we're just going to copy and paste that code here. And we're going to go ahead and continue. We should see this. So right now we have 2FA. So if you wanted to do this because you wanted to get into some stuff of the game that you couldn't before, right now you can. So I'm just going to click on done. And right now I have 2FA. Also for Fortnite, for example, right now you could gift people since you have 2FA. And you can also go into some competitive games where you also need a 2FA. Remember, 2FA just makes your account more secure. That's all it does. At this point in time, we are all done with this video. You guys can just close this, go into your game, and enjoy. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.